Rolls-Royce. Why not? Look at that interior. Oh, this just reeks of old car. But holy fuck, this thing has some General Motors influence in here. Look at that radio. That's a General Motors radio. And look at this key. That fitting is actually a General Motors key. Who knows what else is? Oh, let's start this one up. I turn this AC off. That's a 1988 Rolls-Royce. You can see the interior, it's a nice interior. But you would think that these were plush seats and they really aren't. Dash is all soft to the touch, and you can see all these real wood trimmings here. See the glove compartment with its light. The map light, actually. Turn the switch on, you can see how the light comes on. The clock, outside temperature. Radio, this is a General Motors radio. A lighter, how can you have a car like this? Well, the rich fucks need to smoke. Hazards. And like mentioned, this is a convertible. You slip these latches here, and the thing will pop up like so. So you get a look at the back seat. It's quite nice. Have your lighter, more ashtrays, and your window. Little tray that comes up so you can have your sandwich with some Grey Poupon. Fuel lid. Here's a trunk. Battery switch. This opens up. You can see. Lift up this carpet. Possibly access to the fuel pump. And the battery seems to be under here. Yeah. I'm not into these cars, but I just like the fact that it's so sharp looking. Let's get this one closed. To dislodge the seat so I can fold, it's an electric lock. You saw that. Let me get this thing closed. This has a 3-speed auto. I think this thing can make an easy burnout. I can just feel the ass of this car it just wants to loosen up. Well, here's a panel dim, refill. Here's the AC. Power seats. This is memory. Power locks. This is for the windows. You can see. And I gotta show you the hood. Wherever it opens. I think I opened it. This is all real wood, by the way, and everything is vinyl coated. Possible leather, but it looks like vinyl to me. This is just a Rolls-Royce V8. The 412 cubic inch. They've been making this engine for so many years. But the paint is cracking though. I don't know if I can do an exhaust shot of this one. There's quite a few people around. This one has 43,000 miles, by the way. Such an easy steering wheel, it just jiggles all over the place. Wonder how good that is on the highway.